Don't you hate colds and flus? I know I do. And my wife has, for the last week, been suffering with sore throat and so forth. And she's been, I thought, oh cool, I'm not going to get it. But unfortunately, last night I went to bed and I had a slightly scratchy throat. And this morning I felt, went to work today, and unfortunately, it just got worse as time went on. So I booked a doctor's appointment for tomorrow, and I'm taking tomorrow off and going to go to the doctor's. Hey guys, Henry here from Carnivore Capers. Now, you might be wondering, okay, so why are you doing carnivore? What a difference 48 hours makes, right? That only took 2 days to get over. In the past, every time I've had a cold, just a regular head cold, it's taken at least 2 weeks to get over it. This time, only 2 days. I'm not sure if it's because I had so much more nutrients in my body now because of all the meat that I'm eating, or whether it was just a really, really super mild dose. But I felt like rubbish. I felt like crap. I felt so bad. And I was sick for a good, at least 48 hours. But after that, a slight tickle in the throat, cough a couple of times and it was gone. Felt amazing. Didn't feel sick after that. No fever, no pains, nothing. I had the aches and pains. Now, a lot of people might say, oh, but this could be the carnivore flu. No, this was not the carnivore flu. I've been through the carnivore flu. I did that, been there, done that, and got over it. And that happened in my second week on the carnivore diet. And I knew full well that I'm not going to go through it twice because I've been good. I haven't cheated at all on the carnivore diet, except for maybe having an occasional glass of milk. But outside of that, I'm actually doing really, really well. And I couldn't believe it only took me 48 hours to actually have no more symptoms except a slight tickle in the throat, which would cause me to maybe clear my throat and cough a couple of times, and that was it. Gone. It's just amazing that this could even happen. Now, you guys, please, this is only a really short video today. Please leave a little comment down below and tell me if you've ever experienced something similar yourself on the carnivore diet, where you've caught a flu or a cold, and the amount of time you've been on it has been reduced substantially. I've been taking Barocca, and it's a berry flavored one. What it has in it, it has vitamins B1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 12, and as well as vitamin C, vitamin H, which is biotin, never heard of that, folic acid, calcium, magnesium, and zinc. So it has a whole bunch of different things in it. Plus, the meat that I'm eating is also nutrient dense because I'm also incorporating liver into my diet, which also has a whole bunch of other ones that generally aren't found in just meat on its own. Plus, I eat salmon, and I eat at least a little bit of salmon every single day, about half a tin every single day. And I can't believe it only took me 48 hours to get over this. I mean, that's miraculous, to be perfectly honest. As I said, in the past, head colds usually took about 2 weeks to get over. Flus, a month. I haven't had a flu yet, but I'm kind of wondering how long that's going to last. I'm thinking maybe a week, perhaps 2 maybe, on the carnivore diet, and then I'll be gone. Not 100% certain. But I do know that on the carnivore diet, the cold is gone. It was almost like there was nothing left, except for that little tickle in the throat. It was like there was nothing left of that actual flu, of the cold. I won't call it a flu because it wasn't a flu. It wasn't bad enough to be a flu, it was just a cold. But I still feel like crap. And I had to go to the doctor's the next day, and the doctor took my temperature. I had a little bit of a temperature. But the next day, all temperature was gone, all fevers were gone, and I felt amazing. Alright guys, as I said before, do leave a comment down below and let me know if you have experienced something similar to that yourself. If you got some value out of this video, please consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing and also hitting the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below. Please just let me know if you've experienced anything similar to this. Or the opposite maybe, see if you've gone the opposite way. Also too, now right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here, well, there's an image of my head. You click on that and you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and bye for now.